watching the award-winning GHS-TV, a nationally recognized student television station.
Hello, Germantown High School. Welcome to Open House. Thank you for coming out tonight. Parents, I want to remind you tonight we will be starting in our homeroom. From there, we will move through each of our class periods throughout the day. Thank you once again for coming. Tonight is about meeting and greeting the teachers and having time to see the classrooms. Once again, if you need a parent conference, please reach out to your counselors. We will have parent conference night on September the 9th, but tonight is about meet and greet. Enjoy your evening. Thank you for coming.
Good evening, parents, and welcome to Germantown. I'm Vice Principal Blake Waddell. I want to encourage you to reach out to your child's teachers and counselors with any academic issues and continually monitor your students' progress in PowerSchool. We are overjoyed to have your children back on campus with us and are ready for a fantastic year.
Good evening. My name is Dr. Gore, and I'm the 11th grade administrator. I also handle textbooks, the Honor Code, and 504 plans. My email will be at the bottom of the screen. If you have any concerns or problems, feel free to reach out to me. During our class meetings, I stress to the students that problems are easiest to solve before they happen, and I just want to send the same message to our parents. The entire team is here to support you. If you see a problem brewing, please let us know so we can help avoid it.
Welcome to the 2021-22 school year. I'm Assistant Principal Nelba Thomas. In order to start the year off right, I want to talk to you about Germantown High School's absence and tardy policies. Absences from school. Students should present a note from their parent upon return from an absence from school. All absences are coded as unexcused until a note from the parent is received. Notes must be received within 2 days of the absence. Beyond 2 days, a doctor's note will be required to receive an excused absence. Students are considered truant after 3 days of unexcused absences. According to board policy, only the following reasons constitute excused absences: personal illness of student, death or serious illness in the student's immediate family, recognized religious holiday or event, or a validated court appearance of the student. Arrival to school. Students are not allowed in the buildings before 7 a.m. Students arriving before 7 a.m. must wait in the cafeteria or courtyard. Late arrival and check-in procedures. If you're late after 7:15 a.m., go directly to your classroom. From 7:15 until 7:25, go directly to your classroom. If you arrive later than 7:25 a.m., you must sign in late in the attendance office in C building. You will need a note from your parent explaining the reason for your late arrival. Students who are not in class when the bell rings are considered tardy and subject to the consequences of the tardy policy. Here's the policy. Students who are habitually late to class are missing essential instructional time. The first tardy will result in disciplinary action. Tardies will be dealt with in the following manner. First offense, verbal warning from the teacher. Second offense, parent phone call. The teacher will do that. Third offense, you'll get lunch duty. Fourth, you'll get Friday detention. Fifth, 1 day of ISS. Sixth, 3 days of ISS. Seventh offense, 3 days of ISS. Repeat offenders shall be subject to additional measures which could include out-of-school suspensions as described in the countywide discipline policy. Tardies restart each semester. If you need to check out early, students who plan to leave school for family or medical reasons must bring a note to the attendance office before 7 a.m. requesting checkout permission. The note should have the student's first and last name, date of absence, and parent phone number. All notes must be confirmed before a student will be allowed to leave campus. Parents may sign you out for appointments in C office. Hall passes. Students should not be out of class without teacher permission and a signed hall pass from a teacher or administrator. After-school expectations. No student is to be in any buildings, including gyms, after school is dismissed. A student not under the direct supervision of a coach or faculty member after 2:30 p.m. must report to the front circle courtyard for parent pickup. Unsupervised students on campus after 2:45 p.m. will be subject to disciplinary measures, which may include transfer revocation. Just remember, attendance matters. Keep these policies in mind, and we'll have a great school year.
Hello, and welcome to the 2021-22 school year. I'm one of the assistant principals, Ms. Fain. I am the 12th grade administrator and testing coordinator. The ACT will be given to seniors at GHS on Tuesday, October 5th, 2021, and juniors on Tuesday, March 1st, 2022. The PSAT is open to sophomores and juniors and will be given at GHS on Tuesday, October 26, 2021. Remember, students, your behavior and discipline directly affect your GHS experience. Remember to dress appropriately, be respectful, and follow the school rules. Have a great school year. Go Red Devils.
I am Fran Odom, and I am delighted to serve as the senior school counselor for the class of 2021. My role as the senior counselor will be to assist students and parents with any needs that are during their senior year and related to high school. I'm available by email and phone for additional information, as well as links to forms. Please check the school website as well as ghscounselors.weebly.com. I look forward to working with all of you.
Hello, I am Miss Keely Webb, and I'm thrilled to be starting my 15th year as a school counselor and my first year as an 11th grade counselor at Germantown High. I'm so proud to be a Red Devil, both as an alum and as a member of the faculty. If you need personal or academic support, or if you would like to know your status towards graduation, please do not hesitate to reach out to me via phone or email. I look forward to working with you this year.
Greetings. My name is Ms. Lee, and I am the 10th grade counselor for all non-IB sophomore students. Welcome to a new and exciting school year. I'm here to help you navigate your sophomore year, and I'm available via email and Google Voice listed below. To stay updated, please check the school website as well as our counseling website. Thank you and have a great evening.
I'm Rose Clemenson, the freshman counselor for the graduating class of 2024. You are entering high school at one of the most exciting times in American history. The class of 2024 will get through the pandemic and will lead our school and city into a great future. There are many legacies in which Germantown High is built, but none as important as the student who make up the school. Welcome to GHS. I'm here to guide you through your first year of high school.
Hello, I'm Ms. Norman, the College and Career Counselor for Germantown High School. My role as the College and Career Counselor is to assist students with their post-secondary plans. The College and Career Office is available to assist students with career assessments, identifying colleges and universities of their interests, and developing a career readiness plan. I'm available by email, phone, or Remind. For additional information, as well as links to forms, please check the school's website, as well as the GHS Counselor's website.
My name is Dr. Melinda Keller, and I'm the Optional School Coordinator for the International Baccalaureate Program at Germantown High School. You may be wondering why you should select Germantown High School for your student. First, Germantown High School has been recognized at the local, state, national, and international levels as a school of excellence. We have one of the most diverse student bodies in Tennessee. We have an extensive selection of extracurricular opportunities, including 20 sports teams, a $4 million state-of-the-art television station, and 71 clubs that include 8 National Honor Societies.
I came here for the IB program. Plain and simple, I really wanted something that would challenge me academically. I primarily chose IB because I knew that I like to do work and I like to study.
We've been in existence for over 11 years. We've graduated about 1,000 students in our program.
I applied to University of Georgia, and when I went there, one of the financial things they said is that we can help you more because we know you're an IB student.
Thank you for your attendance at this presentation. If you have any additional questions, please email me at kellermk@scsK12.org.
Hi, Red Devils. I am Allison Rogers-Long, Director of the Creative and Performing Arts Program at Germantown High School. Whether we have known each other going on 4 years or you are new to Germantown, welcome. Germantown High School prides itself in academics, athletics, and the arts. Whether you are part of band, choral music, orchestra, theater, visual arts, or film and video, you are part of our program. For those of you attending GHS who want to be a designated part of the creative and performing arts, you can email me at rogersa@scsk12.org and we'll talk about how to get involved. In addition to the classes offered within our CAPA program, our programs will do our best this year to offer in-person performances and exhibitions, and we'd love to have you attend if you're not already involved. As always, GHS-TV will deliver on a weekly basis announcements and additional information to you via our show, Red Devil Newsbeat. Be sure to tune in on GHS-TV.org for other television programs covering events happening on and around our campus and other student-produced original programming. If you are a CAPA student and need help or guidance with anything related to the arts or your schedule, please email or call me.